Looking for a Klaviyo free trial coupon before signing up? Here's something many people don't realize. Klaviyo typically doesn't focus on traditional free trial coupons. Instead, it offers a free plan that allows eligible businesses to test the platform before committing to a paid subscription. The free plan includes up to 250 active profiles and 500 monthly email sends, making it a practical way to explore the platform without upfront costs. And honestly, for most e-commerce businesses, that's often better than a short free trial. Why? Because you can actually build your email marketing foundation, connect your store, create automation flows, set up customer segments, and start learning how the platform works without worrying about a trial period ending after a few days. Klaviyo has become one of the most popular platforms for Shopify stores, e-commerce brands, agencies, subscription businesses, and growing online companies because it combines email marketing, SMS marketing, customer data, analytics, automation, and AI-powered tools in one place. What's especially valuable is the ability to create automated customer journeys based on real customer behavior. Whether it's welcome sequences, abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase flows, customer retention campaigns, or SMS marketing, Klaviyo helps businesses personalize communication at scale. Many brands start with the free plan, validate their email and SMS strategy, and then upgrade as their customer list grows. The free plan is specifically designed for businesses testing the platform and building their first automations. So before paying for any plan, check the description below. I've included the latest Klaviyo sign-up link, free plan details, available promotions, and any current offers that may help you get started with the best possible value. And if you enjoy finding e-commerce tools, SaaS discounts, email marketing platforms, software deals, and business resources that help grow revenue, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.